This is the front. We haven't put the top ceiling yet, and already we're gonna put the control panels on the middle.
我今天一大牛啊里呀，搁找插头呢。
插头是本身我在一点，要烧插头呀。我插头嘛，
那俺们的用肯定也行。啊？
永远都行。
永远的行啊，不是呀。
不对的。
那
这咋看不对啊？啥时了啦？啥时了吧？那啥时了王生明了？哎，干么啥白了干么活的？去了啊。
And I think that they need a 2-person, one inside to hold, making the right positions, and the back another person to put the screws in. This is 2-person jobs.
那啥的我讲了。
不是啊，那个50啊嘞。我第一。
So the back of the plastic they need the pre-juice. The metal one they have a pre-made the holes, but the plastic they haven't. So the plastic they need the pre-juice. This is the control panels. All down. We're going to put the top. Okay. Make sure in the right position. And look at this pre-holes already there. We just need the pre-drilled holes to the plastic covering on top. Now we need for all of the electrical cable connections.